everyone, Dr. Michelle Foster here today at the clinic speaking about Introduction to Chinese Medicine and Acupuncture. Acupuncture and Chinese medicine have been around for thousands of years. It's an ancient medicine dating much further back than Western medicine and is now being integrated into the Western medicine world. I did state in another video of mine that I do work at a hospital, and it's been really great to be able to integrate Eastern medicine with Western medicine. So how does acupuncture work? I would like to read this wonderful definition of how acupuncture works, and then I'll show you a picture of the 14 meridians that traverse from the head to the feet, down the trunk, and along the legs and the arms. There's hundreds of points that traverse along these pathways, and they all have their own treatment principles. Depending on what our Chinese medicine diagnosis is, we pick which points are going to be the most effective and treat accordingly. So acupuncture removes blockages in the flow of qi by diffusing lactic acid and carbon monoxide that accumulate in muscle tissue and cause stiffness and stagnation of blood. This stiffness creates an abnormal pressure on nerves, lymph nodes, and blood vessels, which adversely affect the function of the skeletal system and the internal organs. So we really want to move the oxygen flow, aka qi, and the blood flow through these energy pathways that traverse through the body. And then also I spoke earlier in another video how acupuncture releases chemicals in the body that help to reduce inflammation and pain. So important to get these blockages moved and get the qi and blood flowing. Now let me go ahead and see if I can point my video camera to this lovely chart here. And you can get a good look, hopefully, if I can get it just right, of some of the primary meridians that are traversing along the body. So as you can see, there's hundreds of points and many pathways that run through the body. Acupuncture treats many different ailments. Pretty much everything from A to Z we can treat effectively and or supplement the condition or help to maintain and provide palliative care for the patient. So everything from A to Z. Another way to look at it is looking at every system in the body. We can treat effectively starting with the top of the head, mental and emotional. We can balance out what we call the shin, the mind, the spirit, all sorts of different emotional conditions. I am the emotional treatment queen. I love treating emotional conditions from children, adolescents, teenagers, young adults on up to adults. So wonderful area and one of my specialties. We could treat musculoskeletal pain, which is another one of my specialties, providing relief of pain and decreasing inflammation. A lot of disorders in our body are due to inflammation and an inflammatory response that's occurring. And then we can also treat the respiratory system. So that would include colds, which is so common right now, flu, upper respiratory, bronchitis, pneumonia, asthma, allergies, really supporting the immune system. And then digestively, we can balance out the digestive system and treat really whatever is ailing the patient. May it be bloating, acid reflux is a popular one. And moving it on down further, we can regulate men and women's health. So women that have menstrual disorders, or they have PMS, pain, irregular periods, we can regulate the periods. And then moving into the later stages of a woman's life, menopause, we can help to decrease and eliminate hot flashes, night sweats. I've had patients that come in, they've had symptoms for up to 10 years. They had no idea that Chinese medicine could effectively treat menopause and regulate the hormones. And then men's health, we could look at the prostate and just a lot of pelvic stagnation that may be going on with a lot of sitting jobs, which is so common now with the computer age. And then we're moving into really whatever is ailing you with the arms, the legs. We get a lot of musculoskeletal conditions these days with all the devices being used. So I encourage you to step up, try acupuncture. It should be a wonderful, comfortable, relaxing experience. And I welcome you to come back and watch more videos. If you like this video, please give a thumbs up. Please put in any comments or topics you'd like to hear about. Push the bell icon to be notified of future videos. And subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you so much and have a very happy and healing journey until I see you again. Bye for now.